how can you use voice typing in the iPad keyboard? Let's talk about this. But if you're new on the Foxtecc channel, most definitely make sure you are a part of it by subscribing, which will make sure you don't miss any important information. And so on your iPad, you go to the settings and tap on the general section, which lets you control a bunch of different things. From there, tap on keyboard, and the voice typing is also called dictation. So as you can see below, we have a dedicated section for dictation. So you need to make sure you turn it on like that. Tap on enable, and it will give you some other options in here as well. So there is the auto punctuation as you're dictating, which I personally have turned on. It's a good, idea to have that turned on. Otherwise, you'll be able to, if you don't have the punctuation set automatically, you will always be required to say the period, right? Or full stop to end the sentence. But if you want to just have it set automatically, then make sure it's turned on right here. Then you also have the dictation languages. That's also kind of important to set that up because you might be using different keyboards, but perhaps you only want to dictate or voice type with one particular language. So you might uncheck those which you don't want to use. You also have some dictation shortcuts, which you can press twice to start the dictation. So for example, if you're using the keyboard, like a connected keyboard to the iPad, you have the control as well as command keys on those keyboards, and you can double press that keyboard to start the dictation automatically. So this is a nice little shortcut which might help you out. But other than that, this is how it works. There isn't really much else that you need to know about it. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials like this one, and I'll talk to you later in the next videos as well.